Hello guys, welcome to another video with your boy Sbac here, and today guys we are going to talk about what is Forex. I want to simplify the understanding behind Forex to the point that even a child will understand it, because I think that throughout this whole Forex has been seen as something complicated to understand. It is my goal that in this video I will give you the understanding that will let you see Forex trading in a different perspective. All right. So guys, if you are ready and happy about the video, let's start it. Hello guys, this is your boy Sbac here, and I welcome you all new followers. If you just passed through this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, okay? And if you already like what we are going to talk about, guys, smash the like button just to help the algorithm. All right guys, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms, and having said that, let's start straight with the video. What is Forex? Guys, before I tell you what is Forex, I want you to understand this, that just like the whole name says, Forex market, you need to understand that there are different markets in this world. We have the energy market, we have the business market, we have the consumer market, and the list goes on. In this catalyst, guys, we have the Forex market. Now, I want you to think of it in this way. Let's see the consumer market, okay? There are different sections to the consumer market, okay? The electronics market, the clothing market, and the list goes on. So let's see, for example, the food market, okay? Which is it in the consumer market? The food market. If you go to the food market, okay, there's a buyer and a seller. Same thing for Forex. There's a buyer and a seller. And when you go into the food market, what makes that market a market is because two entities have come into this place. If there was not this union in this marketplace, then that place wouldn't have been called market. The buyer and the seller comes to this point of exchange. So the market or the marketplace is a place of exchange where the buyer and the seller meets to exchange their goods, okay? And the seller brings the object of trade, and the buyer too brings the money to purchase it in the food market, all right? Now in the food market, if you play your strategy well, you can even, wait, as a matter of fact, before I talk about this, with that same scenario that I gave you, let's look at the Forex market too. So the Forex market too is a place of exchange, all right? Whereby the object of trade is money. It's not food, it's money, it's cash. We buy and sell money. Have you seen it? We buy and sell money. How? By appreciating or depreciating a currency. That is why we always have two currencies confronting themselves. We have the base currency and the quote currency. The base currency could be any currency in a nation, okay? It could be the GBP, it could be the USD, it could be the euro, it could be the ZAR, all right? On the quote side too, it could be any of these other currencies that I mentioned, okay? So it's basically people appreciating one currency against the other. So when one currency is being appreciated, you will see that it is moving up. That's why you see the candle or the waves going up. And the moment people are taking off their money, or when the moment there are new investors investing in the quote currency, you will see that now this one, the base currency begins to decline, okay? So that is how Forex market is, okay? So we are trading money for money. Let me get back to the scenario of the food market that I was telling you. Now, if you go to the food market where there are different sellers selling the same object, let's say potatoes, okay? You go to the marketplace, the food marketplace, you can find like maybe 5, 10 people, 15 people selling potatoes, that same potatoes or onion, okay? Now, even if you go in with a little amount of money, guys, trust me, at the end of the day, if you play your game very well in a strategic manner, you will come home with a lot of food, just with the little money that you went in the marketplace, okay? Keyword, strategy. If you go in with a strategy. Same thing with the Forex market. That is what retailers are doing. Okay, so the Forex market is being run by these big people, which I don't want to go into it. If not, it will take a long time, okay? Central banks, governments, politicians and these big entities, okay? They are the main players in this Forex market. So we retailers and even them too, we use strategy in this Forex market. We go in with a little amount of money and with the goal to grow it at the end of the day. So you can see Forex market as a vehicle of investment to grow your money, all right? But in order for you to be able to do that successfully, you will need a strategy. And that is where a lot of people don't make it to, okay? So don't see Forex market as something crazy, as something, ununderstandable, or something that is not doable. No, Forex market is a very interesting market or business that you have to get into, that everybody have to get into. But obviously, not every business is for everybody, okay? There are a lot of people that will never go into the real estate business, the real estate development business. There's a lot of people that will never like it. You see, there's a lot of people that will never like the clothing business. As much as there are a lot of successful people there, not everybody will like the clothing business. You understand me? Same thing with Forex. So Forex is just like any other business. It's just like any other market, all right? So guys, this is my explanation about Forex, and I believe I was able to help you to understand it very much, okay? Guys, if there is something that you didn't understand, let me know in the comment section, all right? I didn't want to get too deep into it. I just wanted to simplify it in a very concise way that, one, it won't make the video long, and two, as I said, even a child can even understand it, all right? Guys, if you didn't understand anything, write it in the comment section or write me, okay? I will try my best possible to explain it to you, okay? Guys, thank you very much for your time. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you just passed through this video, and be part of the society, be part of the community if you've watched this video up to this extent, okay guys? Thank you very much for your time. Make sure you do follow all my social media platforms, because I do put some teasers there, and there too on the other social media platforms like Instagram and the rest, Facebook. We can get more personal, okay? Thank you guys very much, and guess what? I approve this message, okay? See ya.